to fix a Bamboo deposit not reflecting in your wallet. Step 1. Wait the standard processing window first. Before assuming something is wrong, know that it may take up to 1 hour to reflect in your wallet. Most deposits that aren't showing are usually just still processing. This isn't a fault, it's normal. Step 2. Check the right place in the app. Scroll down to your Bamboo wallet section. As you can see, we have the USD wallet and the Nigeria wallet. This is exactly where deposited funds should appear. So make sure you are looking there and not somewhere else in the app. Step 3. Check for a confirmation email. Bamboo sends an email notification once the deposit is reflected in your wallet. If you haven't received that email at all, that's a signal the deposit likely hasn't gone through on Bamboo's end yet. Step 4. If it's past 1 hour with no email, contact your bank first. If you are still unable to find the deposit in your wallet after 1 hour and have not received an email notification about your successful transaction or deposit from Bamboo, engage your bank to confirm if the transaction was successful. It tells you whether the money even left your account before you escalate to Bamboo. Step 5. If your bank confirms it was sent, contact Bamboo support. If your bank confirms the transaction went through but it isn't showing after all this is when you reach out to Bamboo directly at support@investbamboo.com with your bank confirmation details so they can trace the deposit on their end.